I'm turning this 1999 Honda Civic into a turbo budget build, and I'm doing it for way less money than you might think. It looks nice on the outside, but it definitely needs work. But everything that I do to this car is going to be dirt cheap. Dollar store cleaner, junkyard parts, even spray paint if I have to. The headliner's sagging, the carpet and seats need a full detox. So here's the plan. Cheap tune-up, lowering springs, cheap wheels, tint, and eventually a budget turbo kit. The world's cheapest Civic build. And first up, the dirtiest job of all. Washing and cleaning this thing, inside and out. Every day we'll fix something, mod something, or make it just a little less of a nightmare. So make sure you follow along because you don't want to miss this.